process, how it is used, what kind of tools there are in design thinking, and then we will do a small exercise after which I will talk about design thinking in education. And then the last 10 minutes I will reserve for critical questions from either if we get any. Right. So just to brush over the basics in the beginning of this session, I'll talk about what is design thinking. Uh, Design thinking is a method of creative problem solving. This is something that this is something that all of us as humans have been using if you look at behavioral characteristics. But design thinking has been coined by a lot of designers and a lot of even scientists and innovators together to sort of help people start innovating using the ideas of logic, imagination, intuition, systemic reasoning, all of it that can build something that benefits the end user as a keeping the human in the center, while having an innovation that covers most of the areas of innovation that is to do with viability, desirability, and feasibility. So you'll understand this better as I go ahead. So this is just for me to cover the basics. Where the design thinking lies in the middle of an analytical and intuitive thinking. So intuitive thinking makes gives you a lot of valid ideas, gives you a lot of innovative and creative ideas, and analytical thinking gives you a lot of systemic ideas, gives you organized and sophisticated ideas. So design thinking falls in the middle of it, where you can actually utilize both the parts of analytical and intuitive thinking. What is design innovation? Design innovation is what comes out of design thinking, I would say, but it is something that something that combines viability, desirability, and feasibility all together. And that's something that I will be focusing on in the next part of the session. So I'll continue to talk about viability, desirability, and feasibility in the next part. How is design changing the world? As you have seen and you must have noticed all of the fad that is coming through you about design thinking. So you can see that a lot of major companies have used design thinking to create substantial
Uh, 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes.
Okay. All right. So good afternoon, everybody. Thank you, Deepan. Thank you, Udyan. Thank you for this opportunity to interact with